Hello, and in this video I'll be explaining to you how to make a team change UI. So what you need for this is a UI. I have a toggle UI too. We will go over how to do it in this video as well. And I have two teams, criminals and police. And then I want you to create a script and server script service and a remote event and replicated storage. Call this remote event team change event. And the script team change. Alright, go back to your team switch UI, make sure the mainframe this for me is invisible. This is just in case if you don't want to have the toggle. Alright, just make a local script and toggle. Local toggle equals script.parent. Actually, local main equals script.parent. Wait for child main. And then we have toggle.mouse button click 1 connect function. If main.visible, then main visible equals false, else main.visible equals true. I will call the script toggle script. Now create a script in main, one in criminals, local team name equals, actually, yeah, criminals, local button equals script.parent, and local rs equals game get service replicate storage. This is for getting the service replicated storage. Local event equals rs team change event. Now we will do button on connect function. This fires whenever the button gets clicked. Make a new variable, call it local debounce. Put it on false. This is just so the player can't spam it. Event. Actually, if not debound, then event fire service team name. That's almost it. We do task.wait 1 second, so there is a 1 second cooldown. That's basically the cooldown. Debounce equals false, and then here, line 10, we put debounce equals true. We copy the script and put it into the police button as well. We change the team name to police, and we're done with this. Now we go to the team change handler. Local rs equals game.service replicate storage. Local event equals rs wait for child team change event. And then what we do is event.onServer event connect function. Player team name. We go back to line 3 and make a variable called teams. This is for getting the team service. And now what we do is player dot team equals teams dot team name. Actually, find for child team name. Actually, it's something different. It's those brackets and then team name. And now we will test it out. As you can see, the toggle works. This works as well. If it doesn't work, and the two teams don't even show up in the leaderboard, make sure they both have a different color. That's it for the video. If you liked it, I'd be happy if you subscribe to my channel and leave a like. See you.